Hey guys, and welcome to episode 1 of my Journal With Me Japan edition. I am starting in this new journal that I built. I do have a full tutorial on building it. If you want to check that out, I will link it down below for you. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I've been collecting some ephemera from a few outings that I've done so far in Japan. So this journal entry or journal spread is going to be all about new beginnings and new things. My very first coffee, my very first Starbucks in Japan, first DAISO dollar store, or I'm sorry, 100 yen store haul, and our first outing as a family to a botanical garden in Yokohama. And I'm really excited to get back into making these journal with me videos for you guys. And this time around, I think I want to do it a little bit differently. I actually want to start including pictures and video clips while I'm journaling and showing you guys exactly what I'm journaling about and the different outings that I go on, kind of like visual storytelling. I thought that would be really fun to try out, and that way you guys kind of get to experience or see what I'm seeing, and it just adds that extra fun element to the journal with me video, I guess. I don't know. I'm gonna see how it works, and you guys will have to let me know down in the comment section down below if you enjoy it, and I'll try it out for a little while and I will read the feedback, and if it's good, then I'll keep doing it. But of course, I will be including pictures like I normally do. I do print these collages out on my Canon selfie. I will have my Amazon storefront linked down below. This is in my Amazon storefront shop. I highly recommend the Canon selfie if you like to include a lot of pictures in your journaling process. It's a great little printer, and you can always find down in the description box of my videos, you can always find the different discount codes that I have available for different suppliers and shops that I work with, as well as, again, my favorite products from Amazon. You can find my storefront link down below in every video if you want to go check that out. So right here I'm using my tape runner, and I'm gluing on this poem called Gold. I found it on the ground outside of my apartment complex, and I was like, you're coming home with me. This is exactly the kind of ephemera that I love, is little things like this, and I thought it was a really cute poem, so I decided to put it in my journal. And right here I'm again using my tape runner, and this is actually a parking validation receipt for the mall that is next to my house. And then I'm also going to be putting in a DAISO receipt, as well as this business card for a street vendor. He was selling this like pepper jelly or pepper spread, and my husband really wanted to buy some, so I took his business card to put in my journal, and also in case we want to order more of this delicious hot pepper spread, we know who to call. And I just recently got these envelope and stationery sets from DAISO. Actually, the DAISO receipt that's going to be in this journal spread is where these envelopes came from. So I wanted to have a little spot where I could journal on, so I'm actually going to use my tape runner and tape the envelope to the outside of this pocket, and I can actually tuck in some pictures and then my journal entry in there. So I really like to use envelopes that way in my journal as a spot to either put pictures or my journal entry. Sometimes I don't want my journal entry to be like highly visible. I would rather have my pictures be more visible and my pieces of ephemera. So that's why I chose to do that little mini envelope there. And then right here, I'm just going to use this like textured paper as a backing, and I'm going to use my Starbucks sleeve as like a belly band to hold a picture. So the first picture that I'm putting on that textured paper is from our first outing In Japan, we went to Sankeien, I think that's how you say it, Sankeien Garden in Yokohama, and it was like this really big, beautiful kind of nature garden, not quite a botanical garden. There was a lot of like old buildings that we got to tour as well, and we actually got to go inside and see almost like this house was like we went back in time, and it was a really cool experience. And I just love this picture overlooking this like little mini lake or pond. There was actually a ton of koi fish in there that my daughter got to feed, so that was really fun. And then this little ticket right here is one of those like waiting room stickers or tickets. So this was the waiting room ticket from when I got my driver's license in Japan. So I decided to keep that little piece of ephemera as a memory of when I got my driver's license. So here's another picture from that outing at Sankeien Garden. And then here is my first DAISO haul receipt, and I really like saving receipts and putting them in my junk journals because it's almost like a time capsule. You can go back 20, 30 years from now, and I can show my kids or my grandchildren what things used to cost way back when. And let's be honest, receipts are the easiest thing to collect for your junk journals. You can usually find a receipt somewhere in your purse. It's a really easy piece of ephemera to add to your junk journal. So now I'm going to get out my little wax seal kit. I also got this from Amazon. It's also linked in my Amazon storefront. And I decided to use a couple of like gold colors for this because of the poem. The name of the poem was Gold. And I'm actually going to be wax sealing a dandelion that my daughter picked for me onto my journal spread. And then on the back of that textured paper, I'm just going to put this picture of my daughter in one of the buildings that we toured on that nature garden outing. And then for the rest of this journal spread, I'm just going to be doing my journaling on that stationery that's going to go in the envelope, and also writing little labels of things around my journal that I added to the spread. So that's pretty much going to be it. I will say goodbye here, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so excited to be back and doing these journaling videos for you guys. So I hope you enjoy. And again, I wanted to try something new and add pictures and video clips of the things that I journal about and share my experience in Japan with you all. So I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care.